In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat login error. Please check your internet connection. So when you try to log into your account, when you try to log into your account, you enter in your email address, you enter in your password, but when you press login, option pops up which says connection error or Snapchat login error. Now there are a few ways that you can fix it. Now to fix or remove the bug, you can always update the app. Head over to the Play Store and search for Snapchat. If there is an update, make sure you update the app. You can tap on update. Updating apps always helps to fix these kind of minor issues. The next thing you can do is try to offload the app of Snapchat. Tap and hold on the app of Snapchat and head over to app info. Now you can tap on clear data and clear cache. Caches are the unwanted or temporary files that get stored on your devices. Other than caches, you can also clear the data. Tap on clear data. But before you tap on OK, make sure you remember your email address, your username, and the password to your Snapchat account. Also, you need to make sure that your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi or your data is not stable, then it also shows this kind of error. Now there is another setting that you can manage. If you use your data to open up the Snapchat, you can tap on restrict data uses and make sure that you select the SIM card that you're using. This way Snapchat can easily function also in data connection. So those were the few fixes that you can try out, and after you do the steps, you should be able to fix your problem. I really hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be soon back with more videos similar to this.